tutorial for Home by Forrest Frank. This song only uses 4 chords. It uses your F, it uses a G minor, D minor, an A sharp major. And the strumming pattern for this song is down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. Let's start off with the first chord, F. So first finger is on the first fret of the E string. The third finger goes on the 3rd fret of the A string. The pinky goes on the 3rd fret of the D string. And the middle finger goes on the 2nd fret of the G. And then we bar down the first finger across all the strings. Now really the first finger only needs to be holding down the 1st string and, the 6th string and the 1st string. And these fingers will hold down those 3 notes. Down, 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 up, down, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, down, up. Let's break the strumming pattern into 2 different parts. The first part is down, 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 up. Ready, go. Down, 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 up. Now the other part is up, down, down, up. Up, down, down, up. Again, up, down, down, up. Now both parts together. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up. The second chord of this song is G minor. The G minor chord has the first finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, the 3rd finger on the 5th fret of the A string, pinky on the 5th fret of the D string, and we bar across. Just like the F major chord that we just did, G minor is going to be like this. Down, 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 up, down, down, up. Now the next chord is a D minor chord. It is the same shape as that F major chord we had, but it's over here on the 5th fret of the A string. This is a 5th string root position minor bar chord, D minor. So first finger, 5th fret A string, 3rd finger, 7th fret D string, pinky 7th fret G, middle finger 6th fret B string, and we bar across like this. And please strum from 5 to 1. Down, 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 up, down, down, up. For the last chord of this song, you just take this shape and you move it over and up. I'm calling it up because up is this way on guitar. Up is this way and down is this way. So we're on the D minor. Now for the A sharp major, I take the same shape and I move it here so that my first finger is on the 6th fret of the E, my 3rd finger is on the 8th fret of the A, my pinky is on the 8th fret of the D, and my middle finger is on the 7th fret of the G. Let's try the whole thing with the strumming pattern. the recording. Now, if you want to simplify it, you can also just strum on the downbeat like this. You can just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. To change things up a little bit, you can also add palm muting. For palm muting, we're going to put the palm on the bridge of the guitar like this. And at certain parts of the song, he's doing some palm muting to give it more of a rock sound. That was the tutorial for Home by Forrest Frank. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or song requests. Or if you want to just tell me a new song you want to learn next time. Finally home.